fellow travel enthusiasts! I'm here today to let you in on a little secret about traveling Europe, especially if you love discovering hidden gems while saving some bucks. You've probably been tempted by those super cheap flights to cities you've never heard of, right? Like landing at an airport miles away from your actual destination? Well, what if I told you that these overlooked airports are gateways to some of Europe's most charming, lesser-known cities? Take, for example, Treviso in Italy. Most budget airlines might drop you at Venice Treviso Airport a bit away from the iconic canals of Venice. You could rush off to Venice, sure, but just a 10-minute bus ride from the airport and you're in the heart of Treviso. This city is a wonderland in its own right. Picture this: canals lined with elegant patrician homes, streets filled with romance from the faded frescoes on townhouses, and bars that serve the most refined prosecco from nearby Gimignano. Why rush away when you can sip sparkling wine in a piazza that feels like it was pulled from a storybook? But it's not just Italy. Ever flown into Girona when heading to Barcelona? This city in Catalonia is a treasure trove of medieval architecture, vibrant cultural festivals, and culinary delights that could give any major city a run for its money. And let's not forget about Cambridge in the UK. If you land here thinking only of getting to London, you're missing out on exploring a city where every corner boasts of history, innovation, and architectural beauty. So, next time you book a budget flight, think of it not as a compromise, but as an opportunity. An opportunity to explore the roads less traveled, to uncover the stories of cities that don't make it onto every tourist's map, and to create unique memories you won't find in crowded tourist spots. Remember, the journey is as significant as the destination. Maybe it's time we start embracing these unsung cities as part of our adventures. So, book that ticket, pack your bags, and let's get ready to explore Europe's secret cities together. Who knows what hidden gems you'll discover? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel secrets and tips from around the world. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.